welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am so happy that you've joined this beauty channel family. This channel is just about unboxings, enjoying makeup. It doesn't matter how old you are or what colors, if you love bright colors, and skincare. I really enjoy skincare as well, but just to have fun is the main point. And today I have for you the box by Fashionsta. This has become a really favorite of mine. I am so happy to have, in case you don't know, the box by Fashionsta is currently it's $24.99 unless you got grandfathered in to the $19.99. I believe there's at least, I'm trying to think if it's 6 products, and they're indie brands, and you get introduced to a lot of great products. What I love about it is there's makeup and skincare. It seems like they kind of balance it out to me, at least as long as I've been with them just a few months. So I am very happy with this box. And they also, I don't know if it's mentioned in this card, but the other cards have, they, part of their profit goes to a nonprofit organization in Los Angeles that helps women, and that is a great. It says about September is We Unite as One Global Beauty Community, and that's community. That's pretty clever. And we welcome you to Borderless Beauty. This month we are celebrating and exploring the beauty of our planet as one global beauty community. Included in this box we have 7 incredible made with love products from Uganda, Ethiopia, Germany, France, Australia, India, and Italy. We are uniting as one for a loving September to remember. Are you ready? Let's explore our beautiful, beautiful globe together. And then it gives you a list of the products, and then it tells about what's in the products, and then even it mentions where they came, what country they came from, and then it gives you the prices on the back. So, and I believe everything is pretty much the same. Everybody gets the same items. There may be a variation on color on the makeup products. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I think there's usually 6 products. Okay, this first item is from Emco Beauty Ultra Curl. This is a 4-in-1 gloss mascara. It's long-lasting, no flake, no smudge, 4-in-1 lengthening, volumizing, curling, waterproof. So this one is actually from, this is from Australia. It's a multitasking mascara that's perfectly separates, lifts, and enhances lashes from root to tip with a high gloss finish. With a special wand that grips even the shortest lashes, an advanced lash lifting formula, cruelty-free and PETA certified. So I'm anxious to try this out. I have to look and see what mascaras I have open. So I generally don't open a new mascara until I've checked and see that I don't have, sometimes I'll have like 3 open. So, okay, then next product. This is Nourish Mantra Ratrani Moroccan Lava. I'm sorry if I butchered the one, Ratrani, I'm not sure if that's how you say it, cleanser, clay cleanser. Okay, this one is from India, and this is a lava clay cleanser. Made in India, an exotic clay blend with skin refining ingredients whipped into a buttery soft base. This cleanser is part of an indulgence and part fun, absorbs excess oils, removes pollution, particles, deep-seated impurities, and dead skin cells, giving you the clean, fresh, flawless skin. Vegan, cruelty-free, paraben, and sulfate-free. I noticed a lot of their products are also cruelty-free in these boxes. So this is really cute. It's a pretty, really nice tube. And there is, let's see, it says 2.36 fluid ounces. So that's quite a bit. And it also gives you the best before date on the back, so you know when you open it how long you have. I'm just recommending, you know, when you use that product up. And this one is from 54th Roans, and this is a butter, let's see, a butter, what do they call it, a lotion. And look, it looks like a stick of butter. I thought that was pretty clever when I saw this. Let's see, this is from Uganda, Vanilla Ethiopian Honey Beauty Butter. Okay, fusing the depth of West Africa with the allure of East Africa, this majestic blend of Ugandan and Guyana shea butter sets the foundation for a luxurious, creamy and silky smooth African body butter. So can be used on your face or body. So that's pretty neat. You can use, I usually have a lot of my rough areas is my feet especially, and then also my elbows. And this is a gorgeous packaging. So this is a really good sized body butter. I think usually the body butters I get are usually in a jar. So I can't wait to try this out. Let me see if this has, you can see what that looks like. Okay. And the next product. This is from Thierry de Mars. Okay, this is from France. Irreverence Nourishing, it's a shampoo. It regenerates, moisturizes, repairs. This organic, nutrient-rich shampoo from France is formulated with coffee extract, rosemary leaves, aloe vera, and almond protein, leaving your hair soft and silky. It cleans, refreshes, allows hair to regain its radiance, suppleness. Great for all hair types. So that's great that it's for all hair types, and it's cruelty-free and vegan. So this one, let's see, has like a slight, makes me think of like a, trying to think of, it's not fruity, or it's more like a herbal kind of smell. So I'm really anxious to try this as well. That's great. You get a hair care product. And then these two go together. These are from We Makeup. These are from Italy. There is, one's a lip liner and one is a lipstick. So a highly pigmented and long-lasting lip pencil and lipstick for effortless makeup looks from Italy, enriched with coconut oil, vitamin E, gamma oryzanol, spherical silica for endless comfortable wearing, vegan and cruelty-free. So these ingredients in these products just sound amazing. Okay, this one, and this is the color. Both of them are, they're the same color. It's number 20, Selena Rose. So this is the lip liner, and it has the wooden pencil. That's gorgeous. This is what, like a terracotta, I guess, kind of color. And this one, and look at that packaging. You can see through it. And then it also has, when I was looking at it, a pattern to it. It's kind of what they call it, embossed. And the lipstick itself, you can see that. And then I will swatch that as well. So that's really pretty, and it does feel really creamy. And the last item is from Zova, and this is a product that's been, these palettes have been in BoxyCharm. I have not received one, and I had a chance to get them in the add-ons, but I decided I would just wait, because some of them have been, everybody from the reviews have been said that some of them are just a hit and miss. Some of the palettes are perform really well and some don't. This one is called, this is from Germany, Offline Eyeshadow Palette. It just says a precious, beautiful selection of 10 highly pigmented matte and shimmer eyeshadow shades from sandy beige tones and tropical turquoise to spirited reds of exotic flowers. So let us open this up. I love the layout of this one. I was really aesthetically just kind of drawn to how they had the shades over here and the names, and then they just kind of have them going to each one instead of actually just as something different. But here is the gorgeous, look how gorgeous those are. And then the shade names. And let me just swatch these, just a few of them. This is a matte one. And then I'll do the shimmery one right next to it, just to kind of give you an idea. Those are gorgeous. I cannot wait to try this palette out. Let me know in the comments below if you are receiving this box, and also what are you most likely looking forward to if you have your box. What are you excited about that you received? But if you are still waiting for your box, just let me know which of these are you looking forward to trying out. Like I said, I love this box. I love the combination of the makeup and the skincare, and you get a lot of great indie brands. You introduced to products and brands that you wouldn't normally have heard of, and they do contribute. They didn't mention it in this one, but they do have contributions to a nonprofit organization in Los Angeles that helps out women. That's wonderful. But I love this box. I mean, you cannot go wrong with it. I hope you have enjoyed this video and look forward to some more videos. And I hope you have a blessed day, and I hope you at least take time for yourself. I know as a busy mom of 3 kids, I have a 5-month-old baby boy, I have a 10-year-old boy, and I have a 17-year-old daughter. And sometimes I'm just so stressed, especially with the school and the online. My son goes to school and my daughter does, but they have virtual days on Fridays. And then my baby has had some health issues, so, and trying to gain weight and everything. So I just have, this is my time to just relax and do some me time, and always take some time out of your day, no matter if it's in your car, in the bathroom even, just take time just to, whether it's put on some lipstick or take a hot bath or drink your favorite beverage, just whatever it is, or just look up at the sky, just look at something outside, or just take a moment out of your day and just de-stress in this stressful year that we've had. And I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.